Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the font size on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser launches and you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three horizontal lines stacked together, which is the main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three lines, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you into the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Once the settings page loads, look at the left panel on your screen. You'll see several menu options listed vertically. From this list, click on Content. This section controls how websites display their information in your browser, including text appearance and sizing options. Now that you're in the content section, you'll see various display options on the right side of your screen. Look for the font size option. Right beside it, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available font size options. You'll see choices ranging from very small, small, medium, large, and very large. Each of these options will adjust how text appears across all websites you visit in Brave. Select your preferred font size by clicking on it. For example, if you find default text too small to read comfortably, choosing large or very large will make everything more visible. Alternatively, if you prefer more content on your screen at once, you might opt for small or very small. The changes apply immediately, so you'll notice the difference right away across your browsing experience. And that's it, you've now adjusted the font size on your Brave browser to match your reading preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.